Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This website is also available in light and dark mode. You will get the source code in the description. Try to build this project. Definitely you will be able to learn something from it. I hope you learn something from it. As I told you, it is also available in light and dark mode. You can see here. We have added box effect also, and I've used uh, flex and grid CSS in this. Now let's go through the website. Right now we are in the header section. You can see the hover effect on the navbar elements. Then you can see the moon icon for change of theme. That is, right now we are in the light mode. Then we can, by clicking on it, we can go back to the dark mode, and you can see the moon icon has been switched with sun icon. So whenever you click on this icon again, you will be moved back to the light mode, and you can see the image hover effect and the box effect around the portfolio image. You can see the button hover effects and box shadow effect and 360-degree rotation on the social media icons. Then you can see the uh, about me section. You can see the animation also. This is a smooth animation by swiper. Scroll reveal JavaScript library. You can see education hover effect and box shadow effect on the entire section. Then projects, travel website, movies website and portfolio website. You can see them by going through the demo section. You can see the buttons and the icons. Then the contact me form, then button hover effect. This entire website is available in the dark mode also, so you can go through like this. This is the dark mode. About section, education section, projects, then contact. Try to have as many features as possible in your responsive portfolio websites, because you'll get only few minutes of time by the recruiter to get for you to impress them. And this website is available in mobile version also. Let me show you that. See, this is the mobile version. Let me show you the animation, the education internship, that is the experience, then projects, contact. You can change the theme back to light mode by clicking on the sun icon on the navbar, and we have a responsive navbar here. You can see, then it automatically closes back. The functionality is added by using JavaScript. You can see the smooth transition, and this entire website source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe, and definitely try to visit the channel. It takes a lot of efforts to build them, and I'm gonna share you the entire full tutorial where I will explain you line by line code, the entire code, so that you can understand each and every section, HTML, CSS and JavaScript entire functionality. Please do subscribe to my channel to get that full tutorial. The source code is available in the description. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section the next project that I should work on, or any suggestions that you want to tell me. So let's go from the first section. In the home section, you can see I have added the social media icons as well as GitHub and Twitter. Then we have the contact button. You can see the hover effect on the contact button. You can also see the hover effect on the nav bar. You can see contact me, and the button for light mode and dark mode. So I'm changing for light and dark mode. Then you can see the smooth animation effect, scrolling effect. Then we have the download CV button. Next, in the skills section, you can see I have added button effect. You can see, and when you open one, the other one will process automatically. Then we have the service section. In the services section, you can see web designer, UI designer, branding designer, and you can see this also with close on box model effect as we click on the service that we want to know more about. You can see. Next, we have the portfolio section. You can see the demo button. You can see the swiper function using the swiper.js library. Then we have the testimonial section. You can see the testimonials by some of my clients. Next, we have the contact section. You can see the smooth animation, and I have used the type function in the email and the form elements. You can see the hover effect on the button, then same similar social media icons, quick links, and top bar button. If you go back to the first page, then we can go to the. You can also have this website in the dark mode. You can see social media icon. You can see the hover effect, the entire website in the dark mode. You can see the smooth animation and transition effect. Swiper.css file, swiper.js is used in this website design. This website is totally responsive. That is also available in the mobile version. Let me show you the desktop version. Now let's go through the mobile version. You can see the mobile version. The smooth transition effect and the navbar is available in the below. You can see you can move from one section to another section. It gives a very professional app view to your website, and it is also available in dark mode. So the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Definitely try to build this project. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The entire source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. So let's go through each and every section. So this is the home section. You can see the hover effect on the social media icons. You can see the box effect on the button, and you can see the same box effect and how linearly they were aligned. Then you can see the skill section, the scroll bar screen section, you can see, and the box effect around them. Then you can see the hover effect on the portfolio, that is our recent work. Then you can see the form, name, email and your text area for your message. Then this website is also you can see the smooth animation, scrolling effect by using the scroll reveal JavaScript library. We have done this, and this website is also available in dark mode. Let me show you that. Right now we are in the dark mode. You can see the smooth animation. You can see the rectangular box which is not visible in the light mode. You can see the smooth transition effect, and this website is responsive. That is, it is available in desktop version, mobile version, and even in the tab version. Let me show you that. about. This is the mobile engine, the smooth transition effect. Light and dark. So this entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We have used remix icons, we have used box icons, and uh, scroll reveal JavaScript library to get the best out of it. We have also integrated dark and light mode with very minimal code. Definitely try to build this project. The entire source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.